Hello everyone, a very charming good morning to you all. I'm Kamakshi, coordinator of kindergarten, back again to have a look of summer camp. It's a very warm welcome to you all. So kindly focus. So a very warm welcome to you all in the day 4 of Fun Festa. So let's have, I hope you all are enjoying watching your kids doing different activities. They are becoming now day by day creative. Overall development is going on. Hope you all are very much excited to see your kids for today. So don't wasting any time and let's see what they all are doing. So let's have a look of, oh, hello sir, good morning. So he is Honorable Chairman Saurav of Sanskar Valley Smart School. Let's have a word with sir. Sir, may I know how do you feel? What an idea came in your mind when you started the school, and now what you're feeling after the school is going very well?
नमस्कार everybody. Good morning. So दोस्तों, संस्कार वैली ये एक बहुत समय से एक ड्रीम था कि हमने एक ऐसा एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन को सेटअप करना है इस एरिया में, क्योंकि आज के समय में जो कि नेल्सन मंडेला ने कहा है कि एजुकेशन इज़ द मोस्ट पावरफुल टूल इन द वर्ल्ड, मोस्ट पावरफुल टूल इन द लाइफ ऑफ ए पर्सन. तो अगर हम बहुत अच्छे से हमें एजुकेशन मिली है तो एनीथिंग कैन बी अचीव. तो उसी मिशन के तहत, उसी सोच के तहत हम लोगों ने इस स्कूल को ओपन किया है. इस स्कूल को हमने ये पहला सेशन है स्कूल का. और टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैम, मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि हमने इस स्कूल को जब हमने लेके आए तो पेरेंट्स का इतना ज़्यादा रिस्पांस हमें टोटली इट वाज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड. लेकिन उनको हमारी कहीं ना कहीं जो मन की सोच थी, जो हमारा विज़न था, वो उनको दिखाई दिया कि हम लोग इस संस्कार वैली में किस तरह के संस्कार, किस तरह की वैल्यूज़ और किस तरह की एजुकेशन बच्चों को देना चाहते हैं. क्योंकि आज के समय में माइक्रो फैमिलीज हैं मैम, छोटी फैमिलीज हैं. उसमें क्या होता है, एक ही बच्चे के ऊपर पूरा दारोमदार फैमिली का पूरा फ्यूचर स्टेक लगा हुआ होता है. तो यहाँ पे हमारा जो सोच है वो बहुत क्लियर है कि हमने एक एक बच्चे के ऊपर काम करना है. वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन एवरी चाइल्ड, नीच एंड एवरी चाइल्ड, ताकि उस बच्चे को हम बहुत अच्छे से एजुकेशन दे सकें और उसका फ्यूचर कहीं ना कहीं सिक्योर कर सकें. और यहाँ पे एक बात और कहना चाहूँगा कि हर बच्चे में कहीं ना कहीं एक टैलेंट होता है. हर बच्चा अपने आप में यूनिक होता है. हमें उस टैलेंट को, उसके अंदर छुपे टैलेंट को और उसकी यूनिकनेस को आइडेंटिफाई करना है. उसको आइडेंटिफाई करके देन वी हैव टू शेप इट, देन वी हैव टू गिव ए शेप टू इट, एंड हमने उसको आगे, उस बच्चे को आगे बढ़ाना है लाइफ में. तो हम उस सोच के साथ यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं. एंड आई एश्योर यू, मैं इस आपके फेसबुक लाइव के द्वारा मैं बताना चाहूँगा, हर पेरेंट को प्रॉमिस करना चाहूँगा कि वी आर टोटली कमिटेड. ये एक डिफरेंट स्कूल होगा और डिफरेंट तरह की एजुकेशन हम बच्चों को देंगे, वैल्यू बेस्ड एजुकेशन देंगे और बच्चों को एक प्रोफेशनली कमिटेड बनाएंगे हम बच्चों को.
So I just want to say that's a really great job you are working on it. It's really like to educate a child. एक फैमिली से सिर्फ एक बच्चा एजुकेट नहीं होता है, तो whole family, the entire family get educated.
You are right.
What they are learning today, they are telling their at home, at the mother and father, they are also following it. जो manners यहाँ संस्कार उनको दिए जाएंगे, they'll follow and they'll take to home also and throughout the life also.
That is the most important at this time. बच्चे पढ़ जाते हैं, लेकिन बच्चे बहुत अच्छा कर जाते हैं, लेकिन अगर वो अपने पेरेंट्स को, अपने जो एल्डर्स हैं उनको भूल जाएं तो ऐसी एजुकेशन का मेरे ख्याल से मायने बहुत कम है. ऐसी एजुकेशन के कोई मायने नहीं है. तो वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट ऑल्सो. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और मैम, आई वांट टू कंग्रेचुलेट कि यहाँ पे जो हमारा समर कैंप चल रहा है, बिकॉज बच्चे की ऑलराउंड डेवलपमेंट बहुत ज़रूरी है. और मैं यहाँ पे एक चीज़ और टच करना चाहूँगा. हमने स्कूल ओपन कर लिया, बिल्डिंग बहुत अच्छी बना ली, टोटली एयर कंडीशन बिल्डिंग है, हर चीज़ हमारे पास, साइंस लैब्स, कंप्यूटर लैब्स, वी आर एस्टेब्लिशिंग वन बाय वन. बट अगर हमारे पास टीम का जो हेड है वो बहुत अच्छा नहीं है तो हम लोग बहुत सी चीज़ें नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो इस मामले में वी आर लकी इनफ कि हमारे पास प्रिंसिपल मैम अमन निज्जर बहुत ही डायनामिक और बहुत ही एकेडमिकली बहुत साउंड है. शी इज़ अ वेरी गुड एकेडमिशियन. तो और उनके जो टीम वर्क बना के वो काम कर रहे हैं, तो बच्चों को बहुत पॉलिश किया जा रहा है, बच्चों को बहुत एक एक चीज़ की जानकारी दी जा रही है। और ये समर कैंप बहुत अच्छे से, दिस समर कैंप इज़ गोइंग ऑन, यू कैन इजीली सी दैट
These are the
ऑफ एंड टू समर, बहुत सारी गेम्स, चाहे वो फन गेम्स हैं, चाहे मैजिक शो है, बच्चों को डांस है, डिफरेंट डांसेज हम लोग करवा रहे हैं, कुकिंग करा रहे हैं, देयर आर सो मैनी अदर थिंग्स विच दे आर लर्निंग, विच द चिल्ड्रन, एंड आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी कि बच्चे इतना कुछ सीख रहे हैं, इतना इन्जॉय कर रहे हैं। ऑलमोस्ट होल ऑफ द स्कूल इज़ कमिंग इन दिस समर कैंप, तो हम लोग पूरी अपनी एफर्ट हमारी जारी है। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच। इस माध्यम से मैं सभी पेरेंट्स का भी, जिन्होंने बहुत दे पोस्ट फेथ इन अस, हमारी मैनेजमेंट, क्योंकि मैं, ईश्वर जी और संजीव गोयल जी, वी आर टोटली कमिटेड कि और आने वाले समय में आप लोगों को और बहुत से जो हमारा विज़न है उसके तहत बहुत बच्चों की जो डेवलपमेंट वो देखने को मिलेगी। सो वंस अगेन मैं स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल मैम अमन नेजर को भी कंग्रेचुलेट करूँगा इस समर कैंप के लिए, और सभी टीचर्स को भी, और बच्चों को बहुत ढेर सारी दुआएं उनको कि बच्चे बहुत अच्छा करें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Okay, that's a wonderful, sir. Thanks for your precious time. So now he was Mr. Dharamveer Garg, a chairman of our school. So he explained that what mission was in his mind when he started the school. So now coming to the activities of today. Today we are having lot of surprises for the kids as well as the parents. There is a dance, daily dance classes are going on, and Kacha house. The students will make the Kacha house by themselves. So look at the picture, amazing picture. They'll come to know about the culture also, that in past time Kacha house was like this. So fun games are going on, toy talk, and the magic show. So today we have organized a magic show also. So far less cooking is also there without wasting the time. So without wasting a time, let's have a look of the activities. So let's have the look of, first of all, let me see what's there. Oh my God, Kacha house is going on. So let's see. Oh, students are making Kacha house.
Say hello.
Hello everyone. So as I promised that I'll be coming at the same time to you all. I'm there. Hello. How are you? Very good. What you are doing? May I know? Oh, see, the little kids have made Kacha house. Wow. Look at this house. It's so beautiful. They have decorated. Wow. Very good. So, all the parents, those who are putting efforts, and the teachers also, I want to say a really very thanks. Oh my God. See, the another Kacha house. You have made it? Okay. So now I just, so let's have the look of Kacha house of all the kids. Wow. They all have made it differently. Very good. Very well done. So here Miss Shama Goel is here with us, the in charge of this activity. So ma'am, you have make the students make Kacha house.
Yes, and it's a EVS activity, and today and we clear the concept and that and different types of the houses, and house, a Pakka house and a Kacha house, and with the help of the cardboard and even, and they use on some straws and colors and make on some samples and of the Kacha house. And on the another activity, and we will do a different and something better and for the students.
Chalo, that's very,
Thank you so much.
very great. Okay, Sunana ma'am, hello. You. Good morning. The kids are doing great. You are also enjoying. Okay. So she is Miss Sunana. She is also indulged in this activity. Okay, ma'am. Have a nice day. Okay. Bye, everyone. We'll meet you all. Okay, now we'll meet you all tomorrow at the same time. Bye bye. So as I've already told you that summer camp is not just to keep the kids busy. We are working on every field of the child. Overall development is going on. So now moving towards our magic show, our main attraction of the day, magic show is going on. Let's have a look. What's there?
जैसे मैंने आपको बोला है,
My God.
ओके सो प्लीज आप सबने कभी भी मैजिक शो देखना है या करना है उसके ऊपर आपने सेंस
See, the kids are enjoying magic.
ओके तो जैसे मेरे हाथ
Oh wow, how is the boat decorated?
देखना है जैसे इसका कलर
Manually and so and digitally the teachers have made it. Wow, very well done.
आप बोला कि सबके कपड़ों का कलर चेंज करवा दीजिए
So he is the magician today.
ओके जैसे
We have traveled a long to come here.
अपने कपड़ों का कलर चेंज करवाना है उन्हें कपड़े पकड़ लेने हैं जिन्होंने अपने बालों का कलर चेंज करवाना है तो बाल पकड़ सकते हैं जिन्होंने हैंकी का कलर चेंज करवाना है वो हैंकी पकड़ सकते हैं ओके तो सीधे कैमरा इन द शो सबको शो कीजिए ऐसे
सही थे.
काम नहीं करना है जो चीज़ आपने पकड़ी हुई है उसको शो करना है जैसे ड्रेस पकड़ी हुई है बाल पकड़े हुए हैं
Kids are looking very excited.
It's a funny magic, okay? So ready? आप छोटा कर सकते हैं
See, your ma'am is also involving in this activity.
तो मैंने प्रॉमिस किया है इसका कलर चेंज कर देगा ठीक है रेडी हो और इसको मैं हिला रहा हूँ जो आपने चीज पकड़ी उसको हिलाइए चाहे बाल है चाहे दुपट्टा है रुमाल है किसी को ऐसे घूम
Wow, great going well.
और साथ में बोलना है आब्राकाडाब्रा
Abracadabra.
आब्राकाडाब्रा ओके आब्राकाडाब्रा
Abracadabra.
आब्राकाडाब्रा बोल रहे हैं क्या आब्राकाडाब्रा आब्राकाडाब्रा नहीं इसी यार क्या कर रहे हो
See how the kids are enjoying this magic show. Hope the parents are feeling very proud. 3.
जो मैं बोलूंगा वही आपने बोलना है जो मैं करूंगा वही आपने करना है ओके सो मूव फास्ट 1 2 रेडी 1 2 3 मेरे वाले कपड़ा कलर चेंज हो गया आपके बालों का कपड़ा का कलर चेंज हुआ नो क्योंकि जादू नाम की कोई चीज़ नहीं होती मैं 10 साल से ट्राई कर रहा हूँ किसी के बाल मोच हो रहे हैं किसी की यूनिफॉर्म हो रही है दिमाग में लाइए मैंने क्या किया जो भी है इसके अंदर होता है ओके क्या मेरे पीछे लगे आप
Very well explained about the magic. It's not.
Ready? जो जैसे मैंने कहा आपने अपना माइंड यूज करना है हर चीज़ के पीछे एक ट्रिक होती है इसका कलर चेंज कैसे हुआ सिखाऊं आपको
So now the magician is going to tell them the trick that how he has done this. Oh my God.
ओके सो रेडी
So this was the trick.
मैंने इसको अंदर से लिफ्ट किया जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को बोला कि अपने हाथ पकड़िए मूव तो सेम मैं भी इसको मूव कर रहा था ओके तो मैंने क्या किया सेंटर वाले को अप डाउन कलर चेंज मैंने सोचा कोई पानी भी रहेगा कुछ भी
Very well explained.
ऐसे बहुत सारे मेरे पास मैजिक शो ट्रिक्स हैं सो आपने एंजॉय करना है जिस दोस्त को मैं बुलाऊंगा वही मेरे पास आएंगे रेडी सो दिस इज
Can I? Excuse me, sir. Sir, can I have? The parents are watching all the kids, so they want to know. Can you please tell them something about like magic? What you are showing them? I'm very impressed. You have tell them the trick also. So can you explain to parents also? They are watching live.
हिंदी
हाँ, no problem in Hindi also.
ओके सब बच्चों को मैजिक शो अच्छा लगेगा ये मेरा प्रॉमिस है ओके ये मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है 10 साल का ये प्रैक्टिस जो भी आइटम मैं दिखाऊंगा वो सारे ट्रिक होते हैं ओके उसकी मैंने प्रैक्टिस की हुई है कि बच्चे भी कर सकते हैं बट सीखने के बाद मैं कोई करामात नहीं दिखाऊंगा आर्ट दिखाऊंगा ये सब बच्चे भी सीख के कर सकते हैं ये मेरा मिशन
So he has explained that this is all about the art. So there is no such magic exists. This all is about the creativity and art. So now moving towards, ma'am is also watching the magic show. She's a principal of our school, Miss Aman Nijjar. Let's have a
Good morning, everybody. I am here to observe this magic show, and we've got this a little different where we will make the children enjoy and learn few tricks also. So that is our aim, so that they know how to think well and use their brain. So this is what they are learning and enjoying. We'll see other activities also, ma'am.
yes. Please, now let's have a look of.
Let me join you only today.
Okay. Now, ma'am will be joining us today. So let's have a look of our dance room. daily basis we are having different dance forms.
Okay.
So let's see now.
And start. Pull out. One. And another two.
With the students. See, आ जाओ आगे आगे से.
Start. One, two,
बोलना.
इससे पूछ लेना, आर यू एंजॉइंग, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग टुडे?
two rows, then two. चलो. First step से start करें. Down. हो जाओ नीचे.
So the students are dancing, they are enjoying this. Let's have a look, and after that we'll ask some of the students, are they enjoying or not? See how they are following the command. Let's see. Good boy. Shake it. किसी को my heart is going dancing. I just also want to dance. Oh my God, so beautifully they are doing. So may I know? What's your Arush? She's Arush and your class? Seventh. Your parents might be looking at you, so say hello. May I know? Are you enjoying it?
Yes, I am enjoying too much it.
Oh my God. So the parents of Ayush, he wants to say that he is enjoying a lot in this summer camp.
Even I know all classes enjoying.
Oh, so he is saying he is not only the one who is enjoying this summer camp, his friends are also enjoying. So bye everyone. Keep dancing, keep rolling. Keep keeping you busy in the activity. So now moving toward the next. This was all about dance today. They were doing dance. So the great message the child has given us, कि not I am enjoying, my friends are also enjoying, the students of other classes are also enjoying. I think there is some aroma I've just felt. कुछ खुशबू आ रही है. I think आपको नहीं आएगी ना, भी मुझे आ रही है. The parents can't. Oh my God. Maybe from this side, from prep 1. Oh my God. That's why. Oh, this is the reason so much aroma is there, ma'am, in the corridor. Oh, see what they are the young chef today. What's your name? What you are doing today? Oh, see the kids have made bhel puri today. Ma'am is also there to enjoy.
Put the ingredients in there. Which ingredient this is?
Yes.
This is?
Speak the name.
What's the name? क्या है ये?
Tomato.
Very good.
What are you putting? Chaat masala. And what are you putting? Salt. Oh, and what are you making? What is this? What is this? What you are making today? This is? Oh, I'm going to taste it. Yeah.
Ma'am wants to taste, see how the ma'am enjoys all the activity.
Give this to ma'am. Give this to ma'am. Oh really? Thank you. Let me taste what my students have learned.
So,
Give this to ma'am.
oh my God, thank you so much. So,
This is very.
I can't hold my hunger. इन्होंने तो मुझे भूख ही लगा दी. I'm feeling very hungry. Thank you so much, kids, for all this. Thanks to all.
And what am I getting to drink today?
Oh my God.
And what am I getting to drink?
Oh, it's too yummy. So I am directly conveying the message to all the parents of this kid. Kindly, आप भी एक बार टेस्ट जरूर करना. When they come back in the evening, just once. एक बार जरूर.
This is very yummy. This is seriously yummy and the
They have
good clap everybody.
mango juice is also there.
Did you eat? Did you eat? Not yet. Like start giving them also. Thank you for this.
So they
I hope you do this at home also. Yes, your mother also. Okay.
make for your mother also, okay? Ma'am,
Yeah, for Father's Day, for Father's also. Fine.
ma'am, how you felt looking at this young chef?
So good. Teaching them the skill how to help each other and make some things, new things, you know. And it is seriously, I'm saying it's very yummy and I'm going to carry this to my office and I'll sit and relish
Oh
it.
my God!
Thank you so much. I'll relish this now.
So this was so surprising for us. I think parents haven't seen this kid working at home, making something. So now we have made them. आज क्या किया हमने? मैम क्या बनवा रही है नव्या? क्या बनाया मैम ने आज? भेलपुरी. See, the all kids know. ये तो sure है. They'll go back home and they'll surely make this भेलपुरी for you. So मैंने तो खाई है. It was too yum. So surprising and so yummy. So now moving towards our nursery section. Let me see what's going inside the nursery. This is nursery Tulip. Oh, hello ma'am. Hello ma'am. She is Miss Shikha Mehta, in charge of nursery Tulip. Ma'am, may I know what they are doing today?
Birdhouse. They are making birdhouse.
Oh my God! See the board. Very well decorated. And what you are making?
What are you making?
Birdhouse. So see the kids are making birdhouse, a shelter for the birds. They are being taught about the birds' necessities also. So ma'am, are the kids enjoying this activity?
Yes, they are enjoying. They are making birdhouse. What are we making?
Show me your birdhouse. Show me. दिखाओ मुझे सभी. Show me. Very good. दिखा दो मुझे. Oh wow, Supreet, what are you making?
Say birdhouse.
अच्छा, say hello.
Hello.
Hello to Papa, Mama.
Hello, बोलो. Say
Hello कर दो. Yes, everyone.
Hello, बोलो.
Very good. Yes, Karanveer. Is Karanveer ma'am? Right? Karanveer, say hello.
Say hello.
मम्मा देख रहे हैं, जल्दी hello बोलो.
Hello.
बोलो hello मम्मा.
Show your birdhouse.
Loudly. बोलो hello मम्मा.
Hello, mama. Say hello.
So now let's.
What are you making? Birdhouse.
क्या बना रहे हो आप ये? Oh wow! These tiny tots know that they are making birdhouse. So now moving toward our next section of nursery. Let's move to nursery Daisy. Let's see what they have done. I think there are so many new things, new surprises today for everyone. Oh, this is our nursery Daisy, and once again we are here with Neelam ma'am. She is Miss Neelam Satija, the in charge of nursery Daisy. Ma'am, may I know what they are doing?
Ma'am, yes, we are making birdhouse today.
Oh wow, they are making birdhouse.
As they know,
So these little birds are making birdhouse. Very well good. Oh wow, very well decorated. You have made it? Wow, well done Arman. Oh wow, very good. क्या बनाया ये आपने? Oh, he also knows that he knows very well that. Oh, what have you made? Bird house. They all know that they have made bird house. show me your birdhouse, everyone. Ma'am, do you want to say something regarding this activity? Why you have planned this activity?
Today they come to know the importance of house as well as they need a house. But also need a
Ma'am, please come this side. Let the parents know that ma'am has taught this activity. Yes, ma'am, now.
Today they come to know the importance of the house. They come to know the houses are as important for birds as for us.
So a very great message went to the kids that as we need home, birds also need home. So I request to all the parents, kindly make this habit of putting water on the roof of your houses. Tell children that show some care, love for the birds as they are also living beings. So now moving towards our nursery Bluebell. Now let's see what's going inside. Hello. Oh ma'am. Ma'am, what they have made? Oh. Hey, come this side, ma'am. Come. See, they have made the bird house. Oh, you have made a house for bird. How does a bird fly? Very good.
In the sky.
Oh wow, birds fly in the. How bird कैसे उड़ती है? How does a bird fly? Very good. Jovan, fly. You are flying. आप fly कर रहे हो? Wow. See, he is also flying while sitting. Let's see what the other children are doing. Let's see. Yes, Ranveer. Birds कैसे fly करते हैं? He is a tiny toddler of nursery Bluebell. Maybe he is feeling shy while telling us. So now, Gurkamal ma'am, may I know about this activity?
Yes, ma'am. It's birds house activity. So we are telling the students what is the importance of this house for birds also. However, we need house to protect ourselves from sunlight, from rain, etc., and wind, etc. Same as that birds also need. So for that, they are doing this activity individually and collectively also.
Very well, ma'am. Thank you so much. Bye, Kulvinder ma'am. Bye, Gurkamal ma'am. Bye, everyone. So now moving towards the last So now they have planned. So now they have done with prep. Now we are going towards the prep 2 section. So let's see what they are doing. Oh, I've seen so many toys over there. Okay, there is a toy talk. Okay. Let's see what the kids are doing without wasting our time. Hello, everyone. With all. Good morning. ये क्या पकड़ा हुआ है आपने हाथ में? टॉय टैडी. मनन ये क्या है? टैडी कौन है ये? किसका टैडी है? चलो अपने टैडी के बारे में बता दो मुझे.
My mother has given it to me. I love mathematics.
Very well. Now this was a toy talk activity. Yes, ma'am, this activity, why you have conducted this activity, may I know?
Actually, we have conducted this activity because kids love to play every time, and they always, every time they talk about their, I have this toy, ma'am, I have this toy, ma'am. So we thought we should keep this activity so they come and explain about their toys, why they like their toys too much.
Okay. So she is Miss Rupali in charge of Prep 2. She have made the activity of toy talk. So now Manan of class Prep 2 has few lines about his toy, his teddy. He is named also. देखो ये छोटे छोटे kids, they have name of, क्योंकि इन्होंने ऐसे ही friends बनाने हैं. They've made the friends like this only. So he named his teddy Golu. He said my mama has gifted me and he loves her very much. So in this way, we have come to know that our prep one has become a young chef, and now the nursery has made a bird house to tell them the importance of houses. And the prep 2 is, we have just come to know that they are doing the toy talk. So now moving towards our senior section, let's see what they are doing. Let's see, without wasting our time, just moving towards our next section, our senior section. मुझे फिर से खुशबू आ रही है, आई एम फीलिंग इट बहुत ज़्यादा. आई नो यू आर मिसिंग इट. ऑल द पेरेंट्स दे कांट हैव दिस अरोमा बिकॉज आई एम हैविंग इट. दिस मैम मुझे फिर से खुशबू आ रही है. इज देयर समथिंग गोइंग ऑन? मुझे फिर से कुछ एंड अगेन आई एम, अगर ये फिर से कुछ हुआ तो आई विल अगेन feel very hungry. So now moving to what they are doing, ma'am?
They are making decorative things.
Okay, so the craft work is going on. Okay, can you show me? So the kids are utilizing the wasted papers that show it like this. Oh wow, so they have made it for the decoration purpose also. So parents, now बिल्कुल टेंशन फ्री हो जाओ. दिस दिवाली द किड्स विल गोइंग टू डेकोरेट द हाउस. इज ओके ओके, प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड. देयर इज वन गर्ल वांट्स टू से समथिंग. लेट्स हियर अस. व्हाट यू वांट टू से? क्या कर रहे हो आज आप? व्हाट यू आर डूइंग टुडे?
डेकोरेटिंग.
Mama is watching you. Tell her what you are. Mama को hello कर दो. And tell her what you are doing. Oh, maybe she felt shy. No problem. So now this Diwali, this students will going to decorate their houses. इस दिवाली पे खुद डेकोरेट करोगे houses को? Yes. Sure? Yes. Okay, now bye everyone. We'll meet you tomorrow. At the same time, bye bye. अभी देखो, अभी now again फिर से वही same aroma I am having now. Let's moving towards. Oh my God, there is something. Oh, I was very sure कि there is something going on because इतनी ज़्यादा aroma है पूरे corridor में. Okay, let's see. Fireless cooking is there, sandwich and lemonade. Okay, so you have just made a shop like this, a counter is there. So he's our master chef. What's your name? Simrandeep.
He'll teach you how to make the sandwiches. Let's
So
have
now,
a look.
parents, please watch it carefully. You will have a recipe also. Our Simrandeep, master chef for our school, will tell you how to make a sandwich.
Let's start.
Please start.
Today I am teaching you how to make a sandwich. First of all, you have to cut some vegetables and put some mayonnaise.
So he's telling you chop some vegetables and then put the mayonnaise in it. Very good, no problem. Shelly ma'am, can you please help me for the cap?
And put some ketchup and put some black pepper.
Okay, good. He is making
Some salt and mix it properly.
So now he is mixing it. All the ingredients is mixing it. Very good.
And put it all over the bread.
Now he is spreading over the bread all the ingredients and all the mixture he have prepared. Very good. Miss Shelly, our mathematics teacher, today she is teaching Fireless cooking to the kids. She is helping him. Very good. Now put another slice on.
And the sandwich is ready to eat.
Oh my God, feeling very.
Should give to ma'am. Ma'am will taste.
Oh, sure. मुझे तो वैसे ही खुशबू से भूख लगने लग गई है. May I have it?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, it's too yummy, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very well done. So let's have the look of other kids also, what they are doing. Okay, Miss Mamta is also helping the kids in Farless cooking. They all are making sandwiches. Very good. So through this activity, we have told we are giving message to all the parents that vegetables are very healthy. That's why we are going with vegetable sandwich. So see how these little kids are decorating. How they all become master chef today. What's your name, little master chef? Namesh, what you are making today? Sandwich. He is also making sandwich. Vegetable sandwich is really very healthy for the health. Okay, bye Shelly ma'am. You want to say something regarding this activity?
Yeah, today we are teaching the kids how to make sandwiches. Natural, this is a fireless cooking. When their parents is not at home, so they can fill their tummy by making the sandwiches and without fire. Thank you.
Very well planned, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, Manpreet ma'am. Bye, everyone. Bye. We'll meet you all tomorrow at the same time. This was about the fireless cooking. The students have made sandwiches and lemonade. So now parents become बिल्कुल टेंशन फ्री. बिल्कुल टेंशन फ्री हो जाओ. Now when you are not at home, the students can satisfy their hunger. So now moving towards our next show. What's going inside? Let's see. Hello everyone. Sorry to disturb you. May I know what's going on inside?
They are playing the character role. They are rehearsing for our exhibition on 10th. So they are playing the character roles. Red Riding Hood. And these are the model we are preparing for that day. And these are the drama of the Tom Sawyer Act.
Okay, preparation is going on side by side. So yes. See, they
have to give our best now. That's why.
So in this way, we are the best. Yeah. So she is Miss Paranjali and Miss Bobita Narang, and they are teaching kids
drama and act, play and role characters.
So okay.
Bachche, please
carry on.
Okay.
Let's.
Take this basket of food and to drink to your grandmother. Your grandmother is not well. Oh, I am worried about my grandmother. I will take this. Okay, Mom. Goodbye. Bye.
Wow, very well done.
One more.
Okay. Let's have some more.
Welcome to the world of Cinderella. These are the characters of Cinderella. This is Cinderella, her stepmother, her stepsisters, prince, cat, fairy, her friends. The moral of the story is good things happen to good people. Thank you.
Very good. A great message she has given. Bye everyone. We'll meet you again tomorrow.
Yes, we'll definitely meet you.
Okay, hope you all are excited. Bye. Okay, now this was all for today. They were having a practicing children for the role play, for the drama. So side by side, as I've told earlier also, overall development is going on. The kids are not going with art and craft. They are doing dance also. They are going fireless cooking also. Magic show is going on. Creativity is going on. So through this was all for today. These all were the activities of today. Hope you all have enjoyed. You all have felt proud on your kids. So now it's time to say bye to you. Bye everyone. Meet you tomorrow at the same time. But once again, I just want to again say like, share and please comment. Please share it as much as you can and don't forget to like it. And please let us know the feedback, how the summer camp is going on, how you are feeling regarding this, how was the activity we have planned. Okay now, bye everyone. This was all for today. Bye.